In front of you, LZQ students, Adhikar presentation. First question is, when you meet another Muslim, okay, then what reply for salam? Then okay, we are sleeping every day. Then when you wake up, okay, when you go to sleep, Bismillahumma ahya, Bismillahumma, Bismika Rabbi, Wabika arfa'hu, in amsakta nafsi. Okay, when you enter to home, when you enter to home, Bismillahi walajna. When you get out from home, okay, when you start to eat or drink, okay, when you enter to toilet, Allahumma, okay, very good. Then when you get out of the toilet, okay, we are eating every day. After finishing eating or drinking, okay, when anyone does a favor for you, okay, when you get into vehicle, okay, very good, very good.